welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Doba Street. We are here in a very busy intersection. Always be very careful walking here. There's no real rules here on this intersection. Left, right, everything. Gotta always be cautious here. But we're gonna walk to the beach and check it out today. Today was a beautiful beach day. I was there at 12 at noontime and it was just like phenomenal. Fantastic and beautiful. The beach looks nice, and also I saw some excavator working on the beach. I hope that is the right word now. Excavator or something. And I think they're gonna widen the beach, but also the water is just perfect at the moment. So we're here on the Doba Street. There are some Indian restaurants. The Pig Gym, Marcus's gym. It's always very busy, I think. I don't think they have an AC. But also, we're gonna check out this here, hybrid pool and lounge. I was there the other day with the Aussies and it was pretty nice in there. Very nice and cool, good pool tables. Downstairs is more like a bar and upstairs is like for the professional pool players, I think. They take it very seriously there. So if you wanna just play pool in a serious environment, try it out on the top floor. Second floor, third floor. Downstairs is a little bit more casual. There's a restaurant over there. This is a seafood restaurant. This is a seafood restaurant in the heart of the An Thuong area. What are the prices? So what can I compare it with here? Clams, 150. Yeah, I don't know what that means, man. There's a very interesting beef noodle place, a Chinese one. I still have to try this one. I think they pull the noodles by hand. Very interesting. There's also a billiards club on top. Then we start here with the Sail Hotel, which is also very highly rated, and I have not reviewed it yet. But what I reviewed is the Santa Luxury, which was surprisingly nice. I got it on my main channel, so check it out. And Cecilia. Cecilia has also very nice penthouse suites all there. Three penthouse suites they have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four they have. So, and if you remember, there was actually a motorbike rental over there in the corner, but it is now also a new mini mart. And I don't know what this is. This will be most likely a restaurant. Interesting. And I cannot believe how fast they pulled this up. This is absolutely crazy. I remember, you know, when I told you, I walked by here, someone said, oh, Cecilia, I'm gonna stay in the Cecilia. I'm scared of the construction. It just took 2.5 weeks and this whole building was there. Crazy. And they even have a generator. What is going on here? This is even more crazy. I was here 2 days ago and it was not there. How on earth are they so fast? What is this building even about? Dude, I'm pretty sure this in 2 or 3 months is done. So this is gonna be an urban zone, they say here. Interesting. Let's go walk around that place. All right, so now if you're at the hotel, you might have an issue with that. Not the corner one. But it's pretty interesting. This is gonna be a huge addition to the city, to the An Thuong area here. This is gonna be like very nice. Ooh. Wow. This city is completely on a rampage on building. Guys, look at this. And it feels, look at how quick they built this thing. I cannot believe, and maybe it will look like this. Pretty interesting. Might be very annoying for the people living in the M Hotel towards the city side. But I'm very happy actually that this lost zone here will be developed. This is such a premium land. I'm wondering what this will be. They're building. How high will they build? How? Huh. Ah, yeah, it's going to be very interesting. But I will keep you updated, of course. You know that. Just don't forget to subscribe already. I will also show you a beautiful banh mi over there. Beautiful banh mi. Beautiful. Tremendous. Oh, tremendous banh mi. On the beach. Might be a little bit hot to eat those banh mi's, but it's great. You got a souvenir store over here, and the banh mi stand is over there. It's called Sails and Skewers. It's very nice. It's very unusual. Very nice. It's right at the M Hotel, as you can see here, and also a intersection without. Hold on. Whew. Don't die, Sammy. A traffic light that does not work. But let's check out the beach now. Whew. Oh, it's packed. Lots of people in the water, that's great. And as you can see here, all the way in the back, the fisher boats pulling out everything. So the water is super clean and nice. Yeah, look at this. Perfect. It's a little bit weird. The swimming part is very small today. I don't know if that's correct, but yeah. We're definitely gonna check out what's going on a little bit further over there. It looks pretty full. It is also Friday evening. The sun is about to go down in 1 or 2 hours. So this is also the high season time now. If you are coming to the beach, you wanna have it empty, go around noontime. It's gonna be empty, believe me. Or at least, yeah, it's gonna be way emptier. But as soon as the sun goes down, everyone's gonna flock onto the beach. But this year is still empty here. You still got lots of space to sit and have a coconut over there. So all good. That's why I like those hotels the most. M Hotel Bacona, TMS Aden. It's very nice. Ah, isn't that beautiful? Even though it's not 100% blue sky, it looks even better like that. And they also changed a little bit those cabanas, I believe. Cabanas over there. Very nice. Security guards here, so no one can park here. The climate is perfect. It's a little bit humid, but there's a little bit of a breeze coming through, so it feels very good. This today was a perfect beach day. And I can also see here lots of people in the water. The water is very calm. So even if you don't swim, this is the perfect time. Nothing will happen here. I think they had a dancing competition over here the other month, in March. Lots of people over there, but they limited the place to go swim a little bit. But all the way in the back, it's kind of okay-ish. As you can see here, I don't know why no one is in here, because it's very easy waves. No need to block anything. This is the lifeguard, if you need him. There are lots of lifeguards. Also, you asked me a lot about toilets. This is a huge toilet. A huge toilet from the Maya beach. But also, they have public beach toilets. They're a little bit smaller. Gotta be careful with that. I don't think I would fit in there. And then, yeah, this was a toilet one time, but it's not anymore. It's closed at the moment. This is also a wonderful place to relax here with the coconut trees, or palm trees actually. Nice. And the night market will be running up soon. It's already open. It's just not all slots rented out. Very calm and nice here. Good vibe. Besides of some people flexing on the street, some metal bars. It's always very, very interesting to me how Vietnamese do some pretty dangerous things like flexing or welding or something, and they just wear flip-flops, and hopefully sometimes they have even the sunglasses on them. Yeah. Vietnamese are built different. I feel like there's even more beds now this year than before. Yesterday we had a huge party going on somewhere there at the Holiday Beach. There was like a big speakers, loud music, electronic music. Yeah, pretty good. But today it's calm again. Maybe it's also not that nice for people who are staying in the hotel who want to spend time over there at their beach part. I think the beach beds there are from the Holiday Beach. I hope also they're finally gonna do something with the Holiday Beach right next door. So they should have Holiday Beach, like if you check out this place here, this here should be done, right? That would be such a nice hotel, the area. And then you see a little bit over there. What the hell is this? I mean, make it a nice coffee shop. You can already do it like that, I think. Imagining having there a coffee, that would go very well. But I guess no one wants to invest in that. Or I don't know who owns that. But imagine, this is one of the nicest places here in the An Thuong beach, in my opinion. It's just beautiful. And as you can see over there, the excavator, I hope I say it the right way. Excavator, all right, I don't know. Whatever. We learned last time, it's called Bagger in German, okay? We just use the German word now. Dear United Nations, every nation in the world, we use the word Bagger nowadays. No need to use the English word. All right, okay. So I don't know if this is legal to park here, but I see a lot of people parking their motorbikes over here. Cute dogs over there, hello. Yeah. And this is then, you have 5 more beach restaurants and beach clubs. And then the first resort will be Premier Village. So yeah, so this is what the Bagger is doing. I think he's fixing the sand and the beach, which is a very good sign. Hopefully they do it everywhere, wherever the beach parts are not as good. And we will have a wonderful summer. Look at this, beautiful mountains in the back. Not quite 100% clear, but still great scenery, great, beautiful Vietnam. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.